Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about mass and weight. What is mass and weight? Mass is actually the quantity of matter present in a body, that is known as mass. Okay? And it is, you can say it is a quantity of matter present in a body. Secondly, you can say that mass, it is a scalar quantity. It is measured in kilogram, that is SI unit is kilogram. Okay, so we can discuss like this, that is the mass is the quantity of matter present in a body. Means suppose that you are going to purchase something and that person means that the shopkeeper give you some quantity. Actually that he or she gives you, that is the some quantity, that is known as mass. Okay, and we measure it in kilogram, or smaller it is gram. Then after, you know that it can never be zero, means you can say mass never be zero. Its value never changes throughout the universe, means इसकी वैल्यू कहीं चेंज नहीं होती है. ठीक है, means remains constant. Okay, and if you compare to the weight, what is weight? Weight is actually, it is the force by which that earth attracts any object towards its center, that it is a force. Okay, by which that the earth attracts any object towards its center. Secondly, you can say it is a vector quantity, and its unit is Newton. Okay, definitely it is a force, so its unit is Newton. Its value changes from place to place. Okay, it can be zero. It can be zero. I written here as a differences. Okay, here it is constant. Here its value changes from place to place. Now we will discuss about the what is the how that we compare the weight to the different places. Okay, so see here how I am comparing it. As you know, that is the force, that is equal to mass into acceleration. So if we compare that weight is actually the force, so it is m, and acceleration is what? Acceleration due to gravity by which the earth attracts any object. So we can say w equal to mg. And if this value means acceleration due to gravity, if it is zero, then weight will be zero. Okay, means when g is zero, then this whole value will be zero. Okay, now we compare, that is the weight of any object on moon and weight on earth. Okay, how we will compare? See children, that we know that is the weight on earth. Suppose that any object is kept on the surface of earth, then what's the formula? G m1 m2 by r square. So in case suppose that you are finding that actually here first f, so if you want to find weight on earth, in that case g gravitational constant, mass, suppose that you take the mass of earth, and any object's mass, suppose that m2, its mass is a small m, right here m, and here this is the distance, you take r, it is r square, means weight of this one, weight here radius, you take it one number. And if you measure the weight on moon, in that case G, mass of moon, mass of object, as you know that mass remains constant, and radius of moon square. We here want to find, हम लोग ये find करेंगे कि what is the relation. Okay, so how, what we will do, weight on moon and weight on earth. So just you divide 2 divided by 1, means this will be as numerator. तो weight on moon by weight on earth. चलिए देखो यहाँ पे what I am writing here, G, mass of the object and mass of the moon by radius of moon square. This is the main dividing line. Then G, mass of earth into mass of the object and radius of earth square. Okay. Then after, see how we will calculate and find, we will find the relation. कैसे find करेंगे देखो यहाँ पे this cancel हो गया, ठीक है. Mass of moon into mass of object radius of moon square into, ये रिवर्स होगा, उल्टा हो जाएगा, क्यों, दिस इज द डिवाइडिंग लाइन, तो ये हो गया डिवाइडिंग लाइन मीन्स डिवीजन, r e square by mass of earth into m. E and small m is here indicating here for moon and here for earth. See, this m and this m will cancel. Now we will write here like this, mass of moon by mass of earth into radius of this one by radius of what, moon square. So we can write mass like this into re by rm whole square. Now children, see what we got here. हम लोग क्या फाइंड किया अभी तक, just we find here that this weight on moon, that weight on earth, here this relation we got. Okay, अब देखो, suppose that if you know the value, you put the value, but if you don't know, in that case what you can do, here mass of the earth, it is approximately 100 times mass of the moon. Okay, and radius of earth, it is approximately 4 times the radius of moon. So if you put the value here, what you will get, see, Wm by weight on earth, that is equal to mass, and here I written only m, it is 100 times mass of moon. Okay, that is this one. So mass of moon by e की जगह पे हम लोग ये डालते हैं अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू, इट इज 100 mass of moon into radius of earth is 4 times, so you write here 4 r m by r m, it is whole square. See, this cancel, so it will come 1 by 100 into this cancel, it will be 16, means क्या आ गया ये 16 by 100, मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, देखो 16 6 जा 96, means it is approximately 1 by 6. So we can say here, and if you do this, transfer this side, that side को transfer करोगे तो what it will be, weight on moon, that is equal to 1 by 6 weight on earth. This is the relation how we can find. Okay, and on the basis of that we can calculate a number of questions. Suppose here if asked that if an object having mass 6 kg on earth, what will be weight on moon? So first of all you find the weight on earth. तो weight on earth क्या हो जाएगा, that you know, mg, mass 6, and you take here 10 for calculation, otherwise you take 9.8. Okay, this will be what, 60 Newton. This came on earth, so you find weight on moon, it is 1 by 6 weight on earth, so it is 1 by 6 into 60 Newton, that is equal to 10 Newton. This one. If children, suppose another question ask that if the mass, अगर आपसे एक पूछा जाए कि if the mass of an object is 6 kg on moon, what will be the weight on moon? mass of an object on moon, that is equal to 6 kg. So you have to find weight on moon, that is equal to what? One thing you can directly find, or you can find like this, that first of all I am finding weight on moon, that is equal to 1/6 weight on earth. And you don't know weight on earth, so you have to use mass into g. Mass is same, that is 6 kg, same रह जाएगा, g you take 10, so see this is 10 Newton again. Or you can use directly that, okay, that 1/6 you can do and you can find the value. Okay children,